Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials, account credentials, two-factor authentication, and whether Google reports an outage. Log into your Google admin if available. Unresolved outages block fixes. Once done, check the device clock and DNS. Miss at time or bad DNS often causes server errors. You should switch to a different network or use 8 temporarily to rule out ISP DNS issues. Make sure cached credentials are cleared so you aren't fighting stale tokens. That simple step prevents many server. You now move into deeper diagnosis. Confirm outgoing and incoming server names and ports. Use SMTP. Gmail. Com with 465 or 587 IMAP. Gmail. Com with 993. Check encryption. SSL/TLS or Startles as required. Once done, revoke and recreate app passwords or OAuth grants to eliminate token errors and reauthorize any mail clients. Inspect mailbox size, filters, and forwarding rules because full mailboxes or bad filters can trigger server faults. Finally, temporarily disable third-party security tools to see whether they're blocking SMTP/IMAP traffic. You finish by applying final fixes. Clear the mail client's cache, remove and re-add the account, or reinstall the app to reset corrupt state. Once done, test the same account in Gmail Web. Success there narrows the issue to the client. Make sure to switch to an OAuth-capable client if your app relies on legacy authentication. If problems persist, gather error codes, exact timestamps, and client logs. Then contact Google Support or your administrator with that packet so they can escalate efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.